Hey guys, Whiskers here. Today I'm going to show you how to incorporate the CNOC bag with the Sawyer Squeeze water filtration system. Here we go. Hey guys, Whiskers here. Welcome to beautiful Colorado. Anyway, today I wanted to show you how to incorporate the Sawyer Squeeze with the CNOC bag. I talked about that in another video. I do have another video up on how to use the Sawyer Squeeze with all they send you. I think it's much easier with the CNOC bag. So let's get started. First thing you want to do, make sure the bottom hole is closed. And go ahead and put that cap back on. And then we're going to lay our Sawyer Squeeze over here in a sanitary place so we're fit to use it. Next thing you want to do is take this whole bag apart. And all it does is slip off. It has a clip on it. It'll unfold. And it'll have a big opening on it. This is where the CNOC comes in a lot better. You have this big, huge opening on it. Whereas on the Sawyer Squeeze bag, you have to get all your water through there, through that little opening. And it just takes forever. Another good point about the CNOC is it's just real squishy. As you can see, this Sawyer Squeeze bag, not so much. Takes a while to get it. It's just made out of the wrong material. So anyway, let's focus on the CNOC bag. Got your big opening here. That's how you're going to collect your water. So I'm going to go down here. Let this flow in there. Wow, got us a whole lot of water real quick. Don't quite need all that, I'm gonna drop some of it out. Next thing we wanna do with our dirty water, we wanna go ahead and put our Sawyer Squeeze on. As you can see, we have dirty water that flows up this way to the smart water bottle. Go ahead and put our smart water bottle on using the cleaning coupling. Now you have everything kind of loosely screwed together. It doesn't need to be tight because you're going to want the air to be able to flow out of that bottle and let the water go in. So we're going to turn everything upside down. Now you can see we have just a little bit of a squirt going on from the dirty water through the filter to the clean water. Now what we want to do is I want to loosen this up just a hair so we can get the air out of the bottle and really let it start to flow. You can start pushing down on it. Doesn't take long. This is a 2-liter CNOC water bottle or water bladder. They make them in 1, 2, and 3. I like the 2 because I can get as much water as I did there. And go ahead and filter 2 liters of water real quick. And as you can see, man, it's just filling up quickly. Doesn't take long with this system right here. I really like this CNOC bag a lot. So much easier. When you get done, you want to take your, go ahead and drop your dirty water bottle. Now we want to take the clean water off. We don't want to get any more dirty water in this clean water. So you squirt yourself real good. Go ahead and put the cap back on it. Now we have clean water in here. We still have dirty water here. If I had another smart water bottle, I could do the same thing and get me like 2 liters out of this one bag. I love that. Also showed you to take this water filter off. I've also showed you how to clean this in another video, so look for that if you need it. But right now, I don't need any more dirty water, so I'm just going to let it out. Okay, we've got our filter off. We've got the bladder back to where it was. I always use a CNOC bag for dirty water, not clean water. Never drink out of the CNOC bag. That's just my system. You guys develop your own system. But the only thing I'm drinking out of is smart water bottles, not the CNOC bag. I use this for dirty. Now you can go ahead and filter you a couple of liters of clean water, fill this back up with dirty water, close it off, And if you need to, if you don't have a water source coming up, go ahead and carry this dirty. Carry 2 liters of water dirty. And that way when you run out of your clean water, you have 2 more liters you can filter. A lot of people do that, okay? That's one way of filtering this. Next way I'm going to show you is the gravity feed, which is really cool. Okay, this is the gravity feed system I'm going to show you. We've got everything locked together. This is our dirty water. The flow's going this way into our clean water jug, okay? What I've done here is I've made me up a little contraption on my own. Has 2 carabiners on it and a piece of paracord. And all this is just to hang it over a tree. Love the CNOC bag because it has this hole on it so you can hang it, okay? So what we're going to do is we just want to hang it over a limb of some kind, latch them together, and now you're done. Basically what you want to do now is you want to loosen up this cleaning coupling just a little bit on your bottle, and as you can see, the water immediately starts flowing. As you can see, it's not going to be fast, but you can walk off and go do what you want to do, man. Set your tent up, eat a sandwich. This will fill up, and all it's doing is gravity feeding through the filter. Real simple, real simple. Once the bottle gets full, take your smart water bottle off, and it's good to go. I like the 2-liter water bag once again because what you can do is fill this one up and then fill another one up right behind it. So that's how simple the gravity feed is, man, with the CNOC bag. Just too cool. Man, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. If I missed something, I may have, leave it down in the comment. What do you guys use? I'd like to know. I really like this system. It works out really good. I've left a link to the Sawyer Squeeze and the CNOC bag in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you considered subscribing to my channel. Y'all have a good day. Thank you.